Hi, in this video, today I'm going to introduce you with the Java along with its features and types. Now, what is Java? Java is a programming language and computing platform was released by Sun Microsystems in 1995. Java is a general purpose programming language that is class-based, object-oriented, and designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. It is intended to let application developers write once and run anywhere. Everywhere. This is WORA, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. And hence it is also called platform independent. Java applications are typically compiled to bytecode that can run on any Java virtual machine, JVM, regardless of the underlying computer architecture. Java is pure object-oriented language in which all the functionalities revolve around the classes and objects. All Java programs contain objects that interact with each other by calling methods. Without a class, there can be no objects, and without objects, no computation can take place in Java. Thus, a class is the basis of all computations in Java. This question normally come sometime in board and in other exams also. Explain class is the basis of all computation in Java. So I think the concept is clear with you now. Now, next is the basic features of Java. Write once, run anywhere. Write once, run anywhere, VORA, is a term that refers to a particular program's supposed ability to run on all common operating systems. In Java, the program is not converted to code directly understood by the hardware. Rather, it is converted to bytecode, which is interpreted by JVM or Java Virtual Machine. So once compiled, it generates bytecode file which can be run anywhere in any machine which has JVM, Java Virtual Machine, and hence it gets the nature of write once and run anywhere. Platform independent. Platform independent language means once compiled, you can execute the program on any platform. Java is platform independent because the Java compiler converts the source code to bytecode, which is intermediate language. Bytecode can be executed on any platform using Java Virtual Machine. Next, it offers many security features to make its program safe and secure. For example, JVM Security Manager, Security API, etc. JVM in JVM, the binary form of programs running on the Java platform is not native machine codes, but an intermediate bytecode. The JVM performs verification on this bytecode before running it to prevent the program from performing unsafe operations. Now, Security Manager is what? The platform provides a security manager which allows user to run untrusted bytecode in a sandbox environment designed to protect them from malicious or poorly written software by preventing the untrusted code from accessing certain platform features and APIs. And security API. Security API is what? The Java class library provides a number of APIs related to security, such as standard cryptographic algorithms, authentication, and secure communication protocols. Built-in graphics and supports multimedia. Lightweight means a language that does not require more intensive CPU resources code. Open product. means it's freely available to all. Java is programming language that is open source because it has the version through which users can download its compiler code, and its distributor has the source code of the application which can be accessed publicly by the user. Types of Java program. There are different types of Java programs uh, available. Those are standalone programs, an application program that is developed by programmers, which consist of various methods, and these methods being invoked from within a main method is called standalone application. Internet applets. These are small Java programs that are embedded in a web page and which requires a web browser to be run or executed. Servlets, they extends the functionality of the web browser. Now, few other terms we use in Java, that is source code, Java bytecode, object code, JVM, etc. Now, what is source code? The high-level language code written by programmers, which is not understandable by the computer, is known as source code. It has an extension of .java. Means any Java file when you type in using the Java programming language, that is the source code, and when you save it, it gets an extension with as .java. Java bytecode. Bytecode is the compiled format of Java programs. Once a program has been converted to bytecode, it can be transferred across a network and executed by Java Virtual Machine or JVM. Bytecode files generally have .class extension. It is called bytecode because each chunk of code is of 8 bits. That means 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Object code. Object code is the result of compilation of a module or program written in a programming language stored for later use. Java Virtual Machine produces machine code. Object code is a portion of the resulting machine code. Bytecode becomes object code at JIT, that is just in time compilation. At JVM, the Java Virtual Machine is the runtime engine of the Java platform, which allows any program written in Java or other language compiled into Java bytecode to run on any computer that has a native JVM. I think by now you are clear with the concept about what is Java, the basic features of Java, types of Java program, and about source code, Java bytecode, object code, JVM, all these terms. In my next video, I'll start how to write Java codes. Thank you.